Stainless steel is awesome, super heat resistant, and the ability to move it around and have area to work with. Alright guys, listen up. Are you tired of juggling tools on a flimsy bench in the garage? Are you tired of running out of counter space when you're getting ready to do that big grilling or tackling that project around the house? Do you need a rock solid surface that actually works as hard as you do? Then you need to check out this Vevor 36 by 24 inch stainless steel worktop table that you're watching me assemble right now. This isn't your average fold out table. This is a heavy duty professional grade workstation designed for action. It's crafted from durable, easy to clean stainless steel. It looks sharp and it should stand up to the toughest jobs. What do you say we go talk to me right after I put it together and see if the quality actually lives up to what it's supposed to be? This is my new Vevor prep table, I'm going to call this. First off, let me show you this. How is that for wheels? I will show you up close in a little bit the wheels. But this is a stainless steel table. It is a really nice size. You can adjust the height of this bottom shelf to whatever works best for you. We wanted more storage, so it's down low. While we're down here, let's take a look at these wheels. Look at these casters. Look at how nice these casters are with a nice heavy polyurethane wheel on it. Really nice quality hardware. Overall, this entire construction is top notch. This is definitely built to support some serious work. Actually, let me show you what kind of work is going to get done on this. So this is a brand new berry colored kiln. That's Nikki's badass thing. So I got this as a surprise for her because I wanted her to have a great safe place to work with this kiln. Stainless steel is awesome, super heat resistant, and it gives her the ability to move it around and have area to work with, light the fire, and melt the metal. If you're looking for a great portable stainless steel prep table, this is the one you should get. There's actually a link on the screen if you want to get it. You can just click that and get it. If that link is not there, down in the description you'll find a link. That link is an affiliate link. Helps out the channel but doesn't cost you anything extra. So please use that. I'll say thank you in advance. Remember to like and subscribe. And do you have something cooler than a berry colored kiln to put on your table? Let us know in the comments. I don't think you do, but challenge me. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.